A vault is just a folder where Obsidian stores your notes. One of the greatest features of Obsidian is that it stores notes as plain text files. This means your data is in a format many apps can read and not in a format you have to pay for. By writing your notes in plain text, they'll outlive any app, even Obsidian itself. More importantly, this also means that you own your data and you are in complete control of what you do with it. Your vaults are also accessible on the go via Obsidian's mobile app. Obsidian syncs vaults that use iCloud, Google Drive, Git, Dropbox, Obsidian Sync, and many other third-party services. Vaults are a requirement to use Obsidian. The first time you open Obsidian, you'll be asked to add a new vault. You have two options: either create a new empty vault or use an existing folder. Obsidian creates a .obsidian folder in the root folder of the vault, which contains preferences specific to that vault. Don't worry about the contents of the hidden folder. That topic is for plugin and theme developers. Now you know the fundamentals of Obsidian Vaults. Now it's time to dive into the real power of Obsidian, linking and navigating your notes.